Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by prepping so the extensions sit flat and secure. First, brush through until there are no tangles and apply a light heat protectant if you plan to style. Next, section your hair into clean horizontal parts, nape, mid, then crown, and clip each section up. Once done, inspect each clip. Make sure the snaps open and close smoothly and the weft color matches your roots. This avoids lifting and ensures a seamless blend when you attach the first row. You now attach the lower weft to create the base. Release the bottom section, open the clip fully, and position the clip under about 1/4 inch of hair at the root so the teeth catch securely. Snap the clip closed using your thumb and forefinger, then give a gentle tug to confirm it holds. Continue across the nape with even spacing, making sure adjacent wefts do not overlap. Once all lower clips are secure, lightly backcomb above a clip if you need extra grip for a snug fit. Finish by releasing the next section and repeating the same attach method, moving upward until you reach the crown. Once all wefts are in, blend by brushing gently and adding texture, like soft curls, to hide tracks and create movement. Make sure to test the hold by moving your head and running your fingers through the roots. If any clip feels loose, reposition it now. If you still experience slipping, switch to silicone-lined clips or add a small backcombed anchor under the clip and retest for a secure, comfortable wear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.